Bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is vodka and lemonade. Super simple. So pause this, grab your drink, and then come back. So for today's video, I was asked the question, do girls like it when our balls hit them while having sex? So that's, I will say, not really. It's kind of weird, especially if you're a girl like me who thinks about every single thing that's going on. You tend to focus on those little things, and then it just throws off your whole vibe. So if you're one of those girls who, you know, isn't into it like I am, what I will say is try to block out that feeling or change the position. You get on top instead of having him on top, because usually you feel that during doggy style. Yeah, and I feel like if his penis isn't fully erect, like fully, that's when you feel it. Yeah, if he's getting soft on you, that's when you feel it more. I think. I don't have a penis, so I don't know. I'm just guessing here. I don't know the science of how penis and balls really work. But to answer the question, some girls, they don't care because they're so wrapped up into the moment that they don't notice it. And I do know that some guys, they don't notice it themselves because they're also so wrapped up in the moment. So for you to ask the question, you're probably one of them who has either been told that they don't like it, or that your partner can feel it, or you are so focused on what's going on with her and what's going on around you that you know you're conscious of your balls hitting her while you're having sex. Now, if you feel indifferent to what I'm saying, if you have an opinion on the matter, leave it in the comment section below. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If there's something you want to ask that you're too embarrassed to ask, my email is in the description bar. Shoot me an email. I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.